So in this question we want to find the mean proportion between 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so let's start by considering the mean proportional to be x. Since this is an unknown value, we'll consider that to be x. Now what does this mean? If x is a mean proportion between 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3, it means that 6 plus 3 root 3, 6 plus 3 root 3, right, x, and 8 minus 4 root 3, right, are in continued proportion, because x is a mean between the two, so that means the three of them are proportional, or I can say that the three of them are in continued proportion. And this means that 6 plus 3 root 3 divided by x is equal to x upon 8 minus 4 root 3, right? Remember, a ratio of the first and the second is equal to the ratio of the second and the third in the case of continued proportion. Right? Now, if I want to find the value of x over here, I would need to cross multiply my terms. So so on my left hand side now, I have 6 plus 3 root 3 into 8 minus 4 root 3, and that is equal to x into x, which will give me x squared, right? Now I have to simplify this term here on my left hand side. I can say all I need to do is multiply them distributively. So the 6 will get multiplied by both 8 and 4 root 3, right? So 6 into 8 is 48, and 6 into minus 4 root 3 will make it minus 24 root 3. Right, now next I would have to multiply 3 root 3 into 8 and 3 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. So that will give me 3 root 3 into 8 is plus 24 root 3, and 3 root 3 into minus 4 root 3 will make it minus, so 3 into 4 is 12, 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3, so that is minus 36, 12 into 3. And this is equal to x squared, right? So if I am to simplify this further now, if you notice, minus 24 root 3 and plus 24 root 3 will get cancelled. I'm left with 48 minus 36, and 48 minus 36 is 12. So therefore 12 is equal to x squared, and x would therefore be equal to root 12, which is basically 2 root 3. Okay, so therefore my final answer now, the mean proportional is what we wanted to find, is what is the value of x. The mean proportional is 2 root 3. This here is our final answer, which we will put inside a rectangle.